As you know, doing home access bathroom contracting for your clients can be a very stressful time. Maybe they've had a family member that's been in a serious accident, or mom or dad or any member of the family, took a fall and their mobility, or they've got progressive health condition of some sort that's impacting their ability to use the bathroom. Or maybe you're just working with somebody that wants to age in place effectively, but they're confused. They see a lot of stuff in the market, really don't know how to go about it. Well, while you could show people different brochures of bases and walls and accessories, the reality is brochures date themselves very rapidly, and it's hard for them to get a feeling of how might all this stuff come together and have a vision for what their bathroom might actually look like. And this is where a home access bathroom remodeling presentation comes in. And at Innovate Building Solutions, we invested a lot of energy in putting something together that will give people an effective visual to understand what their new bathroom could look like, and actually be something they're excited to have, as opposed to thinking it's going to look like the hospital bathroom, which obviously none of us want. So in presenting a presentation, I think we want to go often beyond safety. Safety, certainly in a home access project, is the price of admission. You need it to be safe. You need it to be usable. Function, obviously, is job number one. However, it should be more than that. You want the installation to be simple to maintain, right? Because if not, somebody who's maybe mobility isn't good might, if you had a tile thing, they might want to get on their hands and knees and clean that tile if they're anything like my mom is. You also want something that could be sellable. Let's say, it's for a 92-year-old like my mom. Maybe in a couple of years, if she had dementia and we needed to move her in a community facility, it could be difficult if we have a ramp pan in to make sure that installation is sellable. You also want something that is space expanding. Maybe today they're stepping over a tub and there's that very tapered bathtub, and there's not a lot of place for their feet, or it might be slippery and they might fall on the way in. You want a home access bathroom model to be money saving. If you look at the cost of assisted living, I've heard numbers like $6,500 a month. Obviously, if you're doing a tub to shower conversion, it doesn't take many months, usually a couple months, maybe even less, to get a return on the money spent. You also want to look at, in a successful home access remodel, one that is speedy to be done, because there may be somebody in a hospital looking to come home and you don't have a long time. You need to be able to get materials, be able to install them time effectively, and have something that is going to be sturdy and to stand up. And then I would also argue you want something that's stylish. If somebody is already, worried about putting in an accessible bathroom, in a lot of cases it's because the stuff they see at the hospital, they just look and say, oh my God, I really don't want that. So can you make it stylish? Why not make it stylish if the funds allow it to be? So in this presentation, the goal is not to have a presentation that is a hard sales process. It really is to provide a forum to help them understand, for you to educate them, for them to literally see options that may get them to say, wow, that can be a safe bathroom for mom, or mom may say, that's a nice bathroom, I like that, and one that they're proud of as well. So why not? So in the presentation, one of the neat things is you can have that literally run that on an iPad. So if you're in a call and you're literally measuring, you could hand this iPad to an owner and point out different sections that you want them to take a look at, which would tie into maybe the concerns they have, and or the inspirational gallery befores and afters that may get them to have an understanding of what might this look like, what could I go from and to with the installation. But now let's talk and dig into more of the specifics of it. So in many cases, like I said, what you would first want to do is understand, what's the current situation? What size is it? Are you going to need a custom pan? What type of profile are they going to need? What type of health care condition situation is this family dealing with, to recommend the right kind of product or products that are going to be used in there? And then I would recommend that you focus in the presentation on what's the most important to them. So it's not about taking them through like a PowerPoint, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really focusing on what specifically matters to them. So I want to tool you around the Innovate Building Solutions new home access presentation. In this presentation, there are different things that you can show people, but where I would recommend to start in most cases is actually at the bottom or the foundation. As you know, if somebody is having a hard time, maybe they have a tub in there today or they have a high curb shower pan, getting in is really job number one. So in the presentation, there are different elements. One that shows a stone, low profile shower pan. There's one that would show custom bases. If you do need a custom base, you can have that. One that shows what are called wet rooms with a one-level system, so there's no curb at all. There's options that also show ramp bases. Maybe somebody needs a ramp base, and even accessories and or acrylic bases that could go with that. So I would recommend in many cases, again, you want to do a diagnostic, understand your customer, what their concerns are. And in this presentation with the tabs at the bottom, you can choose to explain whatever makes sense to that prospect first. But logically, in many cases, it's great to start with shower bases. The next place is to go and look at the wall surround. So what's above that base? Now, while you can do a tile job or you can use different material options, and in this presentation there is an area where it looks at pros and cons of different systems like tile or acrylic or cultured marble. But in this system, there's a lot of background about wall panels and grout-free wall panels. And what's neat about what you'll see in here is there is 31 different patterns, and these things click and lock together so they look like tile and stone or even things like crack cement, but are much more time effective to install, and you can give people a lifetime guarantee versus with a tile job, maybe your sub or your own crews, you give maybe from no guarantee up to maybe 5 years. So there can be a lot of value in that. And in this presentation, you can click on the different patterns. So if I was interested in this black marble pattern, I could just click on it in the presentation and it's going to bring up a picture, and somebody may look at that and say, oh, I love that, or it's too dark, it's too this, it's too that. So you can really show specifically what you can use. Now, in addition to the wall surrounds, you can also look at options in front of the wall surround. So whether those be a shower door or a shower screen, which has like a fixed piece of glass and a little pivoting door for a walk-in, using curtains, or even using something like glass block walls. Because a lot of people really just don't understand all of the options. Maybe they have a glass door today and they don't like that it's a bypass and there's a frame. In this presentation, they'll be able to see really literally unframed options as well. So doors, again, screens and curtains are a section, benefits of those options. And even things like glass block walls. Glass block walls can be neat because they're very sturdy. They provide a good degree of privacy and simple to clean. So in addition to talking about, let's say, a wall system, glass wall system, curtain system in front of it, it also is good to go over, people might call them accessories, but I would say when you look at a home access project, it may be necessities, because in many cases, as you know, people need to have a seat in the shower. They need to have a grab bar. They need shelving. They need niches to maybe use a small space more effectively, and they may even have a need for windows. So in the presentation, you can click on any of those sections. This one here, grab bars, and show them different options and sizes you can get in here. And one of the advantages of using the presentation versus using brochures is that things do change over time. Patterns come and go, sizes come and go, new finishes, right? Matte black is hot today. Maybe that'll be different on the road. In the presentation, that stuff is all updated in the cloud. So whenever you pull a presentation up, you'll know what you're showing is something you can get, not something that maybe was discontinued a year ago and you didn't realize from the brochure that is no longer there. Now, in addition to all of those different product options, what can be really cool is this inspiration gallery. And the inspiration gallery, if you click the view gallery button, and you click through, you'll see different applications of home access with, with fold-down seats and grab bars and grab shelves and options that will show whether it's glass or curtains, glass block windows, whatever that may be. And because a lot of people really can't visualize what it's going to look like. And I think the more that they can see that, they can not only look at this, whether it's be adult children, or let's say it's an older homeowner, they can see that and say, oh, wow, that actually looks nice. Because a lot of the challenges, and I'm sure many of you had this, where a homeowner says, I don't need that stuff, right? And when you can show them pictures and they're like, oh, wow, that actually looks nice, it takes some of the risk and some of the concern out of out of this project. And then the other thing that can be very effective is there's a before and after slider in this, where you can go through different applications and show them, here's before and after. That is really powerful for people, because then they can say, oh, I have this ugly tub, and wow, it can look that nice after that. That is phenomenal. So with a bathroom presentation, the key is to make it personal to who you're talking to. Find out, what do they need? What kind of concerns do they have? What health medical conditions do they have? Do they have a standard base, a custom base? What do they not like about their existing shower? Then to recommend, given all of those things, all of the different options they have. And if you're looking for, and maybe unsure, maybe you're newer to the bath remodeling, home access bath remodeling space, at Innovate, what we look to be literally as your bathroom concierge. And by that, I mean, we look to help you figure out what it is you need, how to quote that job, how to help show these materials to get somebody to a better place on it. So if you want to learn more, you can give us a call. Phone number is 888-467-7488. Or you can email me. I'm the guy that doesn't have a good memory for phone numbers, but my email is mikef@innovatebuildingsolutions.com. Again, mikef@innovatebuildingsolutions.com. Or go to our site, innovatebuildingsolutions.com/dealers. So appreciate the time to tell you about this program. We're really excited about it. There is a lot of need and growth, as you know, happening in the home access bathroom business, but you do need kind of the programs to go with the products and, let's say, the company to support you in those efforts, and we would be honored to be that company for you. Thanks so much.